As a center leader, I am still learning, questioning, understanding, and reflecting. Sometimes as a leader, we tend to focus on a task and overlook the feelings or views of our fellow teachers. Along the way, I have become aware and open about my own strengths and areas of improvement, and the teachers appreciate this. The values I hold dear, empathy, sincerity, and lifelong learning forms my guiding compass. Values are important. As part of the weekly curriculum, we have an intergenerational program to keep the kampong spirit alive. Being with the seniors helps the children to be understanding, caring, and kind.
It's a joy to see the children when they come and play with us. We can teach them things, and at the same time, the children keep us active.
The first few years of a child's life is so important. What we give them now will build strong foundations for years to come.